Jackie, can you imagine cutting all this out?
Absolutely not.
No thanks. The nice thing is everything comes pre-cut, pre-fused. So we have some crosshairs here. And so this way I can actually line it up in one direction. See, we have kind of a quadrant going on. So with this quadrant, we'll go here, stick that down, and we will stick that down.
And it doesn't matter what color thread you use either, because
it's not going to show.
It won't show at all.
Exactly. So you're going to notice it has an outline going on right here. Just place it right there. You can skip that stitch now.
Yes, you can.
So go ahead and
I bypassed that one, and now I'm ready to do the placement line for the stripe.
Right here, I can see exactly where my placement lines are. So you can see how simple that is. I love it.
Yeah, it is.
Very fun.